Hello everyone, welcome to this series on lives and works of famous writers. And in this video, we are going to discuss Manohar Malgonkar. Introduction. Manohar Malgonkar, 1913 to 2010, was an Indian civil servant, army officer, and prolific writer whose works spanned novels, short stories, and historical accounts. Born in Belgaum, Karnataka, Malgonkar's literary contributions are deeply rooted in the socio-political landscape of India during and after the British Raj. Despite being one of the most notable Indian novelists writing in English, his work remains somewhat underappreciated in comparison to his contemporaries like R.K. Narayan and Mulk Raj Anand. Early life and career. Malgonkar was born into a well-educated family with strong ties to India's princely states. He graduated from the University of Mumbai with a degree in English and Sanskrit. His career began in the Indian Army, where he served with distinction, rising to the rank of Lieutenant Colonel, before retiring at the age of 39. His military experience would later heavily influence his writing, particularly in his vivid portrayal of soldierly life and the complexities of war. Literary contributions. Malgonkar's novels often explored the themes of Indian independence, partition, and the social upheavals that followed. His works are characterized by a blend of historical and social narratives, often infused with adventure and military themes. Among his most famous works is A Bend in the Ganges, 1964, which examines the impact of partition on Indian society. The novel vividly captures the trauma and chaos that accompanied this period, making it a seminal work in post-colonial literature. Other notable works include The Men Who Killed Gandhi, 1978, which provides an insightful account of the conspiracy behind Mahatma Gandhi's assassination, and Distant Drum, 1960, which is regarded as an epitaph for the British Indian Army, highlighting the complex relationships between Indian soldiers and their British officers. Malgonkar's writing is often marked by a strong sense of fate and the inevitability of historical forces. His novels frequently delve into the dynamics of family, particularly the defects and strengths of both nuclear and joint family systems in India. The portrayal of British aristocracy in works like Combat of Shadows 1962 reflects his critical eye on the moral decadence and exploitation inherent in colonial rule. Malgonkar's style is accessible yet rich in detail, making his historical narratives both informative and engaging. His use of military settings and characters is particularly noteworthy, offering readers an authentic glimpse into the life of soldiers during and after the British Raj. His depiction of soldiers is often heroic, emphasizing qualities such as courage, loyalty, and patriotism, which resonate with his own experiences in the army. Autobiographical elements. Malgonkar's works are often seen as autobiographical, reflecting his personal experiences and observations. Distant Drum and Combat of Shadows are prime examples where his life in the army and his encounters with British aristocracy are vividly portrayed. These novels not only provide a window into his own life but also offer a broader commentary on the societal changes in India during his lifetime. Legacy and impact. Despite his significant contributions to Indian English literature, Malgonkar's work has not received the same level of recognition as that of his contemporaries. However, his novels continue to be valued for their historical authenticity and their exploration of complex human emotions against the backdrop of significant historical events. His ability to weave together fact and fiction in a compelling narrative has ensured that his works remain relevant and accessible to modern readers. Malgonkar's life as a hunter, soldier, and writer reflects the multifaceted nature of his personality, which is also evident in his literary output. His works not only entertain but also educate, providing a deeper understanding of India's transition from a colonial state to an independent nation. Conclusion: Manohar Malgonkar's legacy as a writer is one of depth, authenticity, and a profound understanding of India's socio-political landscape. His novels, rich with historical detail and personal insight, offer a unique perspective on the challenges and triumphs of a nation in transition. While he may not be widely recognized as some of his peers, his contributions to Indian English literature are invaluable, providing a rich tapestry of stories that continue to resonate with readers today. So this was the discussion on the life and works of Manohar Malgonkar. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other author. Until then, goodbye and thank you.